Hello, in this video we're looking at a 4.5 example 2. We're solving 1 divided by x minus 3 equals 5, and we are trying to figure out what our solution is. We're solving for x. So the first thing I'm going to do is rewrite my fraction. So my first fraction is still going to be 1 over x minus 3. My second one, we want to turn 5 into the fraction. Remember, 5 is the same as 5 divided by 1. From here, we're going to cross multiply, so I'm going to do 1 times 1. And then I'm going to do 5 times x minus 3. We're going to simplify a little bit. When I do 1 times 1, I get 1. And then if I distribute, 5 times x is 5x. 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. So we're going to go ahead and solve that equation. I'm going to do my work over here. 1 equals 5x minus 15. I'm going to start by adding 15 to both sides. When I do that, I get 16 equals 5x. And then my last step, we have to get x by itself, so we'll go ahead and divide by 5. When we do that, we get x equals 3.2. So that will be my final answer. Now, before you click away from this and go do your homework for today, I do want to talk about rounding a little bit. I'm not entirely sure how your homework wants you to round, but remember, if it says round to 2 decimal places, and you're given something like 1.876 and 1.874, if your third decimal is bigger than 5, you're going to round up. So that means this would be 1.88. If it is smaller than 5 or equal to 5, you're going to round down. So really you just get rid of that number and you'd have 1.87. Just be careful with your rounding on your homework. If you have any questions about that or about these problems, please don't hesitate to reach out to your teacher. All right, thank you for watching.